Pulled hydraulic hoses. It's a headache. It happens a lot on Mondays and Fridays. It makes a big mess. This is Gary over at the Waste Part Nation. Check out the Stuckey Cbass, which will eliminate that problem. Best way I can describe it is if you ever have had your gas pump connected to your car and you forget to disconnect, everything will now harmlessly fall to the ground, and it can be reconnected relatively easily. With the Stuckey Cbass, you can do exactly the same thing. It's kind of an insurance policy for your compactor. Also keeps your driver out of hot water and you from incurring the expense of compactor repair and a messy, sometimes major cleanup, particularly if the power unit gets dragged off a dock. So check it out at www.wastepartnation.com. They are on special right now for $293, freight included, anywhere in the continental United States. Take care. So let's take a look at the Cbass unit. This will come on a bracket as such, and you're going to have two female self-sealing faces on this. What's nice about these is these will actually rotate. If the driver pulls out at an angle to the right or to the left, it follows. And then you can put this on a stand if you want, create your own. We do sell a stock stand if you prefer to have us supply it. And then you have the two male couplings. I've got this actually attached to a hose to make it easy to pull out for me. Simply install. And then this is how it would be when the driver is actually going to drive off and he forgets to disconnect. The hoses will simply pull. Again, that's going to be a self-sealing face, so you can see that that's not going to have a hydraulic leak all over the parking lot. Again, these are available at www.wastepartnation.com. So for under $300, great insurance policy.